students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NAV's home school. This is Emdadul, assistant teacher of mathematics, National University School, Basic. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a higher mathematics class of class 9. Our today's topic is exercise 11.4, question 10, 11.3 and 12.2.3. Dear students, these questions I will solve in our today's class. Let us see what is question 10 at first. Find the equation of straight line which passes through the point 2, 1, passes through the point 2, 1 and whose slope is 2. Dear students, we need to determine the equation of straight line which pass through the point 2, minus 1 and whose slope is also 2 given. We need to determine the equation of straight line. Dear students, to determine the equation of straight line when a point and the slope is given, then you know a formula, that is equation of straight line when slope is m and another point is x minus slope is m and another point is x1, y1, then equation of straight line will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Applying this formula, we can solve question 10. Okay, dear students, so we can write here solution of question 10 here. Question 10, we can write solution. We can write here given slope m equal to 2 and a point x1, y1 is equal to 2 minus 1. We know the equation of straight line, the equation of straight line passing through the point x1, y1 whose slope is m equal to, or we can write is, that will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So we can write here, this is the formula for determining the required equation of the straight line. Here x1 and y1 is given, m also given, so we can determine the required equation of straight line. Therefore, the equation of straight line passing through the point 2 minus 1 and whose slope is 2 is. So we can write here y minus y1 means here y1 means minus 1 here, so we can write here minus 1, that is equal to, we can write here m into m is 2 here m is 2, we have written 2 and x minus x1. x1 is here 2. x1 is here 2. So we can write here 2. So calculate now here. What will you get? You will get here y plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 4. Now take this one in the right side. You will get y equal to 2x minus 4 minus 1. Therefore y equal to 2x minus 5. This is the required equation of straight line. So we can say therefore the required equation of straight line is y equal to 2x minus 5. This is the required equation of straight line. Dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question 10. Now I will solve question 11.3. Now see question 11.3. Find the equation of straight line passing through each pair of points below. Here 3 questions are given, 1, 2, 3. I will solve only 3. For this I have written here 3. Question 3, 2 points A0 and B, 2A, 3, 2A, 3A. These 2 points are given, A and B. These 2 points are given. We have to determine a straight line passing through these 2 points. Okay, dear students, now for this we need to know what is the formula for determining equation of straight line and equation of straight line passing through 2 points. Dear students, if x1 y1 and x2 y2 be 2 points, we can determine an equation of straight line passing through these 2 points. It means that we know if x1 y1 is a point and x2 y2 is another point, a straight line passing through these 2 points will be y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2, or we can write y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Both are correct. We can apply any one of these 2 equations to solve question 11. Okay, dear students. So I am going to solve question 11.3 now. Question 11.3 solution. Given a point x1 y1. x1 y1 is a point that is equal to a0, and another point x2 y2 that is equal to b, that is 2a 3a. These 2 points are given. We need to determine the equation of straight line. We can say we know the equation of straight line passing through the points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y1 minus y2 is equal to x1 minus x2. So now if we put the value of y1 x1 and y2 x2, we'll get the required equation. So we can write here, therefore, or so the equation of straight line passing through the points A and B is, so we can write here y minus y1 means, what is y1 here? Y1 is A, y1 is 0, so we can write here 0, divide by x minus x1, here x1 is A, so we have to write here A, that is equal to y1 minus y2, y1 is 0 minus y2 is 3a, y2 is 3a, then x1 minus x2, x2 is A minus x1 is A, x2 is 3. So we'll get the required equation. If we calculate here, what we will get? If we subtract 0, we'll get y, that will be x minus A, and here will be minus 3a, and here will be, we can calculate here A minus 2a, that is minus A, y by x minus A, that is equal to 3 by 1. If we divide by minus A, both the numerator and denominator, do the cross multiplication, that is y equal to 3x minus 3a, 3x minus 3a. So this is our required equation. So we can write here the required equation. Therefore, the required equation of straight line is y equal to 3x minus 3a. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question 11.3. Dear students, depending on this solution, 2 questions are given for your homework, that is exercise 11.4, 11.1.2. You can solve 11.1.2 in the similar process of 11.3. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood this solution. Now I will solve 2 questions from 12. In each case given below, find the equation of the straight line. We need to determine the equation of straight line in each case. It means 2 questions given here. In every case we have to determine the straight line. For 12.2 we have given here 3 is the slope and intersector of y-axis is 5, and for question 3 slope is minus 3 and interceptor of y is 5. Intersector of y-axis is 5. Dear students, depending on this information, we have to determine the equation of straight line for both 2 and 3. So at first I will show you how can we determine the equation of straight line in 12.2. So see the solution of 12.2 at first. So we can write here 12.2 solution. That is solution, or we can write 12 solution here. 12 solution. I will do 2 at first. To solve 2 we need an information. Dear students, we know the equation of straight line. The equation of straight line, when the slope of the equation is m and the intersector of y-axis is c, then we know an equation that is y equal to mx plus c. Here m is the slope and c is the intersector of y-axis. y-axis. So if the slope and intersector of y-axis is given, then we can determine the equation of straight line easily. So for this we can write here at first we know the equation of straight line y equal to mx plus c, where m equal to the slope of the straight line, and c equal to the intersector of y-axis. As in question 12.2, slope and intersector of y-axis is given, so we can determine the equation of straight line easily. So we can write here, given the slope of the straight line, m equal to, here the slope is given 3 and intersector of y-axis is given, that is minus 5. So we can write here m is 3 and the intersector of y-axis, c equal to, we can denote this by c, that is minus 5, So we can write therefore the equation of the straight line will be y equal to, here the value of m is 3, so put here value of m 3, here is x plus, here value of c is minus 5, so we can write here minus 5. So this will be y equal to 3x minus 5, which is the required equation. Therefore the required equation of straight line is the required equation of the straight line is y equal to 3x minus 5. Okay dear students, now I have to solve question 3. Question 3 also we can solve in similar process, just the value of m and c is different here. The value of m and c is different here. If you can understand the solution of question 12.2, you can solve any question of 12. Now I will solve question 12.3. For solving 12.3, just we need to change the value of m. In case of 12.3, here the value of m is minus 3. So here the value will be minus 3. Value of m will be minus 3 and value of c will be also changed here. What is the value of c? Here the value of c means intersector of y-axis is 5. So we have to write here 5. Now if we put the value of m and c in equation of straight line y equal to mx plus c, we will get the required equation. That will be y equal to m means minus 3 here into x plus here c means 5. So we can put the value. Therefore y equal to minus 3x plus 5. Dear students, this is the required equation of straight line in case of 12, in case of 12.3. So we can write therefore the required required equation of straight line is that is y equal to minus 3x plus 5. Dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of all the questions today I have discussed in this class, and depending on the solution of 12, 2 and 3, you have to solve question 12, 1 and 4 as your homework from exercise 11.4. This is your homework 10. Do your homework properly, submit your homework timely, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.